Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. And we'll chase the night, erase all of these broken dreams and flight. And we'll
So we're at another campsite. This one's called Camping the Lac. Pardon?
I put my feet in this lake.
And there's a bar. Oh, there's a bar. Oh, campsite's a great location. That bar there's open every night. Campsite's just bumped behind me there. Got all that. Got a lot more holiday feel here, isn't it? It's clear.
Bit of music in the background.
Yeah, lovely. So I think we're going to give it at least 3 days here, fully recharge before we move on. Yeah, great so far. Well, good morning. So, how warm is it at the moment?
Really, really, really warm.
So we're going to go to the beach. It's about 29 at the minute. And we're at Camping the Lac, which is near Viaduct, which is south of Rochechouart and Saint-Junien. It's a really good site. We're staying an extra night because there's the bar down the bottom there, sells food, restaurant as well, and the beach, so that's really good. So we're going to pack up a bit tonight and get ready to push on tomorrow, and we're going to head down toward Pompadour. Yeah, I think this is the best one so far.
Yeah.
Best one for the holiday feel, with the beach bar just sitting up there behind us, and restaurant. That's really nice.
From the tents, isn't it?
It's away from the tents, so that's really, really nice. You can just walk down to the beach area, so if you've got children, really nice area for the children. And just across the water over there is the English pub. Time for a pint, I believe.
It is indeed.
So we've had a full day in the sun.
Now we're going to go and cycle in the sun.
Now we're going to cycle in the sun. I'm going to show you how far it isn't. So, Camping the Lac. Getting the chariot of fire ready. There you go. So, oh dear. Let's switch you around. Let's go bike ride. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. It's pack up time again. All the tents are packed away. It's the final part of loading up, my favourite bit. And they'll be on the road. Catch you in a bit. Sorry? Oh yeah. That's nice. Pretty, isn't it? So we've walked down a lovely French village. A few of the shops are closed, but loads of restaurants and things like that. And we found ourselves in, I don't know if you can see that over there, the English tea rooms in this lovely little village, which I'll point out to you on the map now because I can't pronounce it. And often Claire was stuffing her face with a good old scone and an English tea. Yeah, it's lovely setting this. Someone's garden. And there's a seating all up there.